Hello guys, welcome to FJ Graphics class. This is where we teach you how to design using CorelDRAW and PixelLab. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe because I'll be uploading a series of videos about CorelDRAW and PixelLab. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts on PixelLab. For those of us that design using their smartphones, this video is going to help you. So let's go. Before we start, I would like you to install this Z archiver because this is what we'll be using to extract the font. Okay, so we are going to open it. Now before you extract the font, you are going to put all your font into one folder. Okay, like for instance, all my fonts are inside this folder. So I'm going to open this folder and these are my fonts. For the sake of this video, I'm just using this 5 fonts. So the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the font because the folder is zipped. So I'm going to extract them. So you click on the folder, click extract, and then you press this icon here. It has been extracted. Then you go to the second one, extract, click on this green icon. It has been extracted. The same method for all the text. So you use the same method to extract all the text. You click one, extract this button. Alright, I'm done extracting all the text. So I'll just straight up go to my PixelLab app. This is my PixelLab app. Just open it. Now, let's say for instance, I want to change the style of this font. So I'm going to my font tool, click on font, then these are your fonts. Then you click on my fonts. This is where you see the fonts that you extracted and installed. Click on my font. Now already they have automatically been installed into the PixelLab app. Look at them here. Okay, now let's try to apply one to see if it will work. So you click on this one and then okay. Can you see it? So let's choose another one. Font, my fonts. Let's use this last one. Click on it. Okay. So this is how to install fonts on PixelLab. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share this video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of package for you. Thank you very much for watching.